Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to move or copy a file from one folder to another folder in laptop. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply open sorry, simply open your PC folder. For example, I want to copy here. Go to the file. Here again tap on the folder. For example, I want to move this file to another folder, from here to another folder. Here right click on this and then tap on cut, and go to the back. Here and again right click, and here tab click on new, then click on folder. Here you should give name to the folder. For example, I write here Ali Murtaza. Then open the folder and here paste, and here by this method you can move one file to an from one folder to another folder. And if you want to copy this file from here to another folder, then what you should follow these simple steps. What are the steps? uh, First, right click on the file, then click on copy and go to the back, and here select the folder where you want to copy and paste this file. For example, I want to paste this file here, and then click on paste, and here you can see that the file has been pasted on my required folder. And if now this folder is not this folder is not needy, so here tap on delete. Here right click and click on delete, and in this way you can copy and paste any file from one folder to another folder, or you can move any file from one folder to another folder. And if you feel this video helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, so don't miss upcoming videos on my channel. And if you want to operate this option on another window, here you can see that this is my another folder, and here you can tap on refresh and click on refresh, then click on paste, and in this way you can copy the video or the image or audio file from one folder to another folder, or move one file from one folder to another folder. If you feel this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Uh, Best of luck.